Welcome to the channel. Today we head to Texas Motor Speedway for round 4 of Lonestar Drift, and on the way there we give you a little treat. Carrera GT. Yeah. All right, well, we got a little bit of everything going on. If you're a motorhead, we got some NASCAR going around. We got some drifting. Got a little bit of everything. Alrighty, well, we're about to get in the car with my boy Patrick here. Y'all seen him around the shop a few times. He's one of my favorite drivers here in the series. This is only my second time on the Lonestar, or the Texas Motor Speedway track. So we have the iconic Hawaiian dancing lady. My boy Patrick, he's about to send it.
That's my little Dallas Hawaiian.
Yeah. Hope we don't lose any GoPros this year. Last year I lost 2.
Oh no. Oh, I forgot my exhaust is hanging down.
Is that what you're hearing? That's how you wait in line. So for people who don't know, just give them a quick synopsis of this car right here.
So this is a S13. This is a normal, 240. It's got an SR20 up there. It's got a T28. It's all stock tuned, stock injectors. Everything's stock for reliability.
And I will tell you, it is super impressive how he drives this car. He's definitely underpowered in the series for sure, but man, does he absolutely tear it up. You do with this thing.
I like the lights on that SC right there.
That is so good looking. It kind of looks like Evan Shanks' a little bit. In fact, that might be Evan Shanks. I'm gonna find out, but that might be Evan Shanks there. Almost 100% positive. Hey buddy. Hello there. So good.
That's rad.
Great line.
It was okay, I can do better.
Yeah.
The entrance was kind of funky.
Yeah. You take a little too wide?
I entered too early.
Yeah.
I'm gonna jump in behind you guys, but you're gonna be so far ahead.
We got Michael in front of us. Y'all know him from the channel. Y'all have seen him before. I've filmed this car before. I haven't met him. Who's?
That's Nick Novak.
Nick Novak. What a clean car.
Yeah, I think it's rad.
Let's do this. For not keeping up.
Yeah, I like to get to the trails where there's smoke at least.
Yeah, that was great. We even still have all our GoPros. Yes.
Yeah, buddy.
I like how she twerks it whenever you come off the throttle and it vibrates. Twerks it. Oh, hey there, Aaron. Hey, buddy.
My tire's about to explode in the left rear. It's down to the cords.
Well, we'll see if it explodes.
No, it won't explode yet. It's not flapping yet. When it starts flapping, then it goes.
Well, I think we're gonna go against this guy.
What? He's gonna follow you. Okay, he's gonna follow too.
Lost the camera? Figured. Hey. On the chart too? Straight?
Which one was it?
Probably the window.
Man.
Well,
Oh, Aaron's going to get it. Let me go get it for you. Good guy, Aaron.
well, our buddy Aaron with Lonestar Drift is going to be nice enough so this year I don't lose another GoPro. It's out on the track right now. We jinxed ourselves. I think my GoPro got completely disintegrated out there. My GoPro's so bad it took an emergency vehicle.
They're going to perform CPR on it.
They're going to try to perform CPR on my GoPro
emergency
over there.
surgery.
Yeah.
Hey, is it a GoPro?
That's ours.
It's ours. The GoPro? Yeah, it's ours. Yeah, it's his. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Be good.
Let's do this. Hey, John. That's John in his 86. Thanks, Patrick, for letting us ride along, man. He did great.
Hell yeah, we're gonna go until this tire goes, man.
Yeah, let's keep going. Goes till they blow. Thanks for the GoPro, Aaron.
Thanks
for the GoPro.
How's that thing feel?
Oh my God.
You want one, right?
I do.
I want to jump in behind you guys. That was bitching.
That was bitching.
Woo, she's hot almost.
What's she reading right now?
A little hot.
A little hot.
Not hot enough though.
We got all kinds of buddies out here right now. What's up, buddy? And I love this thing. This is the Drift 2K from Apex. That thing is cool. Probably like, all these dang whippersnappers are out here shredding tires. That ain't how you do it. You're supposed to go left.
Turn left.
Turn left.
And turn left to go right.
Yeah, you turn left to go right.
Give me a jump start.
That's the Drift 2K right there. Apex. Hi. Whenever you came into the second transition, it felt so smooth.
Yeah, that was killer.
Like I could feel the weight transfer, like perfect.
Sick. I didn't take this puppy in.
Yeah, we wore this puppy out.
It's a good old girl.
Good girl.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, that was great.
I'm gonna go give Ben back his GoPro. I was like, wait a second.
I was gonna go back anyway, man. But it's all good. I appreciate it.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Woo! That was great. To look at his exhaust whenever we. Oh my! Holy mackerel!
Circuit racing while watching drifting.
Yeah, exactly.
Killer, man.
Hey, what's up, guys? Thank y'all for checking out another episode of Trackstar Media Works at Texas Motor Speedway, round 4 at Lonestar Drift. If y'all need any hot items from Kareless, make sure you'll go check out my boy Evan here. I'm gonna let him plug his stuff right now.
Kareless.com, man. Nothing but love and respect for Trackstar Media. They're always killing it. So all your Lonestar Drift recaps, this is where you find them. Subscribe, like. I promise this guy's killing the media game. Pay attention. Don't miss out on this.
Make sure you go get some of this hot gear right here.